welcome to Butterfly Cottage. I'm Penny.
I'm Graham.
And that's the chickens. On this week's video, we will be showing you more about the house and how it's coming on. But first of all, we'd like to give a shout out to Robert Ernest, our #1 fan from North Yorkshire.
Hi, Robert.
Thank you for the picture, Robert. We absolutely love it. Robert's mum contacted us and asked if we would give a shout out to him because he watches all of our videos. Thank you, Robert. I hope you enjoy this episode.
Your picture was great, thank you.
Okay, so now come with us and we'll take you up to the house.
What are you doing, Pen?
Trying to get these bricks off so we can carry on building up the wall.
Would you like
Like a hammer.
Yeah,
Can I
might
have
be a
some
good
tools,
idea.
please?
Don't be breaking the bricks.
I'm not doing that, I'm just doing it on their own. So the wall is almost finished, just the top bit to do, which we'll do today. Now the joy of cleaning out all the other bits. So these are going to be repurposed. Maybe make a barbecue or something. Stack them in the barrel. Good old leg workout. Gorgeous day today. So look how much we've got to clear out. And then the rest of the walls to come down. This is Bulgaria, you don't throw anything away that you might be able to reuse.
Got most of the rubble out. We just need to take them big stones out what was supporting the wall, and then take the concrete out from where the pantry room was, and then that's ready to start putting the flooring. That's all bricked up now. I've just picked up these last jars off the shelf that I've taken out. There's some jarred tomatoes there. I think tomatoes, peppers, carrot, cauliflower. Who knows how long these have been there. The funny thing is, you could probably eat it and it'd be all right, but I don't think I'll be taking that chance. Do you want to try one, Jack? Jack!
Oh, my back.
Jack using the jackhammer. Started to knock the other side of the floor out. Space has changed a lot now. It's starting to look like a room with potential. just to prove to people that we have actually got a dog coming. She's here somewhere. She's just been barking. And she's gone. Zuma! There she is. Let's see if I can zoom in on her. Zoom in on Zuma. There she is. Zoomy!
Comment below if you think she should be Zoomy or Zuma.
Are you going to zoom?
Come on then. Come on, Cuckoo. There she goes. Come on then.
No, she's not. Here she goes. Zoom in.
Thank you for joining us. That's it for this week. If you'd like to see more from us, please like and subscribe and ring that bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Join us again next week for another update on the house. We'll leave you now with our rabbits.